Who is it?
It's Brent.
Fuck off.
You all know who I am, but you may not know why I'm here. Well, if you think it's for some Silicon Valley Circle jerk, Google the words, you're wrong. One thing's become painfully clear. It's time for me to step down. And where better to find the MacBook heir apparent than here? Because this year marks the 20th anniversary of Founders Forum, the brainchild of Brent Hoberman and his crew. Back then, the cloud was still a thing in the sky. AI was how a northerner sounded surprised. And Tinder was two dry things rubbing together, trying to start a fire. Which in a way, it still is. Let's talk about the future. Who here has got what it takes to replace me? Frankly, I wouldn't trust most of you to adjust the height of a swivel chair. So, here's the question. The new me. Is it you?
This just in. Tonight, a chapter closes, and not quietly. A brief statement from his team PR reads, "Fuck this, I'm out." The markets are twitching, the boardroom is buzzing, and a power struggle is set to unfold.
Okay, here we go.
Hi, I'm Ilkka Paananen, founder of Supercell.
Hi, I'm Jeffrey Katzenberg.
I'm Ynon Kreiz, Chairman and CEO of Mattel.
Storonsky, founder of Revolut.
I'm Alex Kendall. Look, no hands.
I'm Julia Hartz, co-founder and CEO of Eventbrite.
I'm Joe Wicks, the body coach.
Now, I spent years under Rupert Murdoch's roof, so trust me, I know a thing or two about Succession.
Looks like we have our first inmate into Trump's Alcatraz.
You may know me from some of the movies I've been involved with over the years, Lion King, Shrek, Kung Fu Panda, or as parents like to talk about them, 2 hours of peace and quiet.
I want silence from you, Jeffrey.
I'm Martha Fox. Yeah, that one. The co-founder of lastminute.com, when we all thought that putting .com after any word would make us millionaires. And it did, for about 6 months.
You may know me for many things. My good looks, of course, my charm and my business acumen.
The arrogance.
How about if we create something that does not exist?
That's brilliant.
Let's make this company lean and mean. And I don't mean through redundancies. Oh, I'm 40 years old.
I don't just talk impact, I deliver it.
Power, control, influence. The holy trinity of the deeply insecure. Say no to greed and... Sorry, before I carry on spouting this shit, what's my fee?
I'd like to be considered. And to be clear, it's not just me. Unlike my human counterparts, I don't lose focus in board meetings. I don't need bathroom breaks.
Can we pause this? I need a piss.
I've got strictly match the day. What could possibly go wrong?
I'd rather leave the company to a golden retriever.
Namaste.
Corporate hippie.
I almost invented internet. Now I want to be in charge.
Nice one.
I'm not here to play games. I'm here just to watch.
Another time waster.
Hi, I'm Venus Williams, and you may know me for my success on the courts, but I've also been killing it in the boardroom.
Not bad.
There are many reasons why you shouldn't pick me as your TECHSESSION successor.
Get this kid off my screen.
I don't want.
Listen, I've got some advice. As someone who's eliminated contestants faster than you can abandon a January gym membership, I'd make some drastic cuts.
Thank you for advancing me to round 2. Unfortunately, Real Read is experiencing what humans call sleep.
I'm not surprised I'm in round 2. I see you as a peer, if anything.
I deserve the job because AI and robots do what I say.
I'm not just experienced, I'm old. Many people think of me as the Joe Biden of the internet.
I don't play bore on the floor.
Where's that T-boy gone? Brent!
Just in, after the parade of pitches ranging from bold to barely coherent, the succession race is finally over. Let's go live to find out who is the chosen one.
Following weeks of pitches.
The moment we have all been waiting for.
The question on everybody's lips is, who will it be?
Who will it be?
Who will it be?
Will it be?
Of course it had to be me, quite literally the last person standing. If everything goes to plan, I will be running Founders Forum in the year 2500.
Happy birthday, Founders Forum. I don't know what the fuck you do, but congratulations, Brent and the team.